Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking journey along one of the world's most unique roads, the Atlantic Ocean Road. Located in Norway, this incredible stretch of highway offers jaw-dropping views and some fascinating history. Let's dive into the wonders of the Atlantic Ocean Road. First, let's talk about its construction. The Atlantic Ocean Road, or Atlanterhavsveien, was built between 1983 and 1989. It spans 8.3 kilometers and connects several small islands along the Norwegian coastline, offering views of the open ocean and rugged landscapes. One of the most exciting parts of the road is its iconic bridges. The Storseisund Bridge, for example, is a famous curve that appears almost to disappear into the sea. Did you know that the Atlantic Ocean Road is often hit by strong winds, making it feel like you're driving right through the waves? The road was built to withstand the harsh weather conditions of the Atlantic, and it's known for its remarkable engineering and beauty. In fact, it's been named one of the most scenic drives in the world. It's no surprise that it's a popular destination for road trip enthusiasts. And the Atlantic Ocean Road isn't just about the views, it's also home to rich wildlife. You might spot seals, seabirds, and even whales if you're lucky. The road is part of the National Tourist Route, which highlights some of the most stunning coastal drives in Norway. And if you visit in winter, you might experience something truly magical, waves crashing over the road as snow covers the landscape. It's a true winter wonderland. There you have it, an unforgettable journey along the Atlantic Ocean Road. If you're ever in Norway, make sure to add this scenic route to your travel list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content.